Yes, now children, the 6 questions were same. Now the question which is given in the book is, there are some questions given where, if you remember, you did equilateral isosceles, you did a property of exterior angle. So in this question there is one angle given x, one angle is given 120, two sides are given equal. So since two sides are equal, we will use isosceles property. Since exterior angle is given, we can find interior opposite angles. So whichever way you want to do, you can do it. If we use the exterior angle property, we can find this angle. But we can solve by triangle property also. We can solve by isosceles triangle. Since this is isosceles triangle, so this angle will also be x, because the two sides are equal. So since two sides are equal, the two angles are x, and the exterior angle is given 120. It is written find the value of x. So we can easily find the value of x, because these two angles are x plus 120 makes 180. They are angles on a straight line. Therefore x is equal to 60. So you have to give reason like you gave in the previous exercise. X is equal to 60. Since x is equal to 60, therefore the other angle x is also 60 degree. So we get the answer directly by using the property of triangle, which we have done earlier. Now if we come to the next question, in the next question again you can see exterior angle is given 110, one angle is given x, so this side is equal to this side. Since two sides are given, this angle will also be x. So since the two angles are x, now you can solve by the triangle property which you have done earlier. This angle you will find, it will be 180 minus 110. Why 180 minus 110? Because it is linear pair property. So this angle will come 70 degree. So since this is 70, now in the triangle again you will have to write the same reason, that the sum of three angles x plus 70 makes 180. The sum of three angles is equal to 180. So find the value of x like you have done in the first exercise. Rest everything is simple. Okay, now you will have to write reasons as you have done earlier. This question which is given next, this you will try give name to the sides, and then, but before that, do the previous question, write proper steps, give proper reasons, and then try this question. Now let's come to fifth part. In fifth part there is a triangle given. I am naming it as A, B, C. In this, AB is equal to BC. Therefore the two angles will be equal. So this angle will also become x. Now we have got three angles, angle x, and angle. One angle is already given to you, 90 degree. So we add the three angles, x plus 90, and you know the sum of three angles will be 180. You will get the value of x, because this angle is already x, as I have told you, because the two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, BC and AB are equal. Therefore the sum of three angles will be 180, and you will get the value of x. I think you must have understood that in isosceles triangle, since two sides are equal, the angles which are opposite to the two sides are also equal. So the two angles are equal, and we find the value of x and we write the answer. In the same way, in sixth part also, two sides are equal. This side is equal to this side, and since the two sides are equal, this angle will also be x, and then you will solve by isosceles triangle property. Okay, now children, let's move to the next question of the same topic, isosceles triangles and equilateral triangles. So this one here, first one we have done, second one you will try, that is this one. In this question again two sides are equal, the two sides have been marked equal. So since the two sides are equal, this angle and this angle will be equal. So these two angles will be 45 degree each. Since the two angles are 45, you can now find this angle x. Okay, that means two angles, two sides are given equal, therefore this angle is 45, so this angle also becomes 45. Now since this is 45, x plus 45 plus 45 becomes 180, therefore x is equal to 180 and minus 90, because 45 and 45 will be 90. So what will it give you? X will come 90. So this is a direct question. You can give name to the triangle, you can write, but you must mention that it is a triangle, it is isosceles, therefore the angles are equal. Now if you see the next figure, in the next figure again there are two angles given, two sides are given, in this also two sides are equal. Now what are the two sides equal? The two sides equal are this side and this side. So the two angles which are opposite to this side, that is this side is opposite to this angle and this side is opposite to this angle. So both the angles will be equal. So x will be equal to 50 directly, because it is an isosceles triangle. Now we come to the next one. In this you have to find the value of x. This one you try. Now whenever we use any triangle property, we must write down the name of triangle. So we should write that in triangle ABC, like if there is a triangle given, triangle ABC, so I will write name of the triangle, then I will write that sum of the three angles is equal to 180. This you have done earlier, but in this triangle AB is equal to AC, and then give reason, because it is isosceles triangle. So and then you will write A plus B plus C is equal to 180, and then solve whatever is the value. So according to this question, if there is a triangle given, I will add the sum of three angles. So if there is a triangle given whose suppose there is a triangle given ABC, in which one angle is given 40 degree and it is written this side is equal to this side, then and here it is written x. So you will write AB, you will give the name of triangle, then you will write since AB is equal to AC, Therefore angle B is equal to angle C, and both the angles will be x. After that you will add the sum of three angles, A plus B plus C makes 180. And then use the triangle property. So according to this question, if this angle is x, then this angle will also be x. So angle A is 40, angle B is x, and angle C is also x, and then solve. You will get the answer because the triangle is isosceles. Now the first question in try these, there is a triangle given in which two sides are given equal. One angle is written x and one angle is written 40, and you have to find what is x. So since the triangle is isosceles and two sides are equal, we can name the triangle A, B, C. In this triangle, AB is equal to AC, therefore directly we can say that angle X is equal to 40 because its two sides are equal. Therefore the triangle is isosceles, so two angles are equal. So the first answer is directly x is equal to 40 degree. Yes, we have to start with two special triangles, as we already had started that equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle are the next two sets which we will study. What is an equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle is the triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length, and it has the property which is applied in the triangle is applicable here also, that an equilateral triangle has all sides of same length and it has each angle of measure 60 degree. Then a triangle, the property of triangle is applicable in equilateral also, in which the sum of three angles is also 180 degrees. So that is the property of equilateral triangle. Now the next triangle which we have to study is a triangle in which two sides are of equal length. It is called an isosceles triangle. Here an isosceles triangle has been shown in which two sides are shown equal. You can see there are two small lines shown. These symbolize that the two sides are equal. So what is an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle has two sides of same measure. It also has got same property of triangle. Because it is a triangle, in this also sum of the three angles total will be 180 degrees. Now coming to the first question which is given here. Here it is given there is a triangle given in which one angle is shown 40, one side angle is shown x, and there are two sides which are shown equal. Now how will you find the measurement of x? So since the triangle is isosceles, in that also sum of three angles will be 180. So it will also have its sum of angles as 180 degrees. So sum of the three angles of triangle is equal to 180. So what are the three angles given? There are two angles given which are written as, since the triangle is isosceles, it will have two angles equal. Now what are the angles equal? The angles equal are, one angle is written as x and the angle, another angle is written 40 degree. Now when you add the two angles, it is written, since the two sides are equal, therefore its two angles will be equal. Yes, now children, the equilateral is simple. An equilateral triangle, as you know, is a triangle which has all three sides equal. So since its all three sides are equal, its all three angles will be equal. So how will you know what is the measure of each angle? You have done it earlier. If we suppose that all the three equal angles are x, so x plus x plus x will give you 180. Now when you add 180, when you add x plus x plus x, it gives you 3x. 3x is equal to 180, so x is equal to 60 degree. So the value of one angle becomes 60. So if there is an isosceles triangle given, then one of the angle 60, so all the three will be 60. So it is easy to solve. That is why if you see, the questions are more of isosceles triangle, because in equilateral we know that all the three angles will be equal. So how do you know that the three angles are equal? We will see that the three sides are equal. So when the three sides are equal, the three angles A, B and C will be equal, and then we find that each angle is 60. Now in this question, in the equilateral triangle, one angle may be given. If the sides are equal, then all the angles will be 60. So it is simple to solve. That is why most of the questions are from isosceles triangle.